Hello there! So you have decided to make your own system. It can be an application or it can be a simple website. Some people may think you have brilliant product, but some might quite not like it. Different barriers such as nationality or the interface in which it is used may create trouble. Well, obviously, you would want a lot of people to be able to use your system. So, what is the solution? Well, the key of the solution is applying the principles of universal usability. So, what is universal usability? Let me explain. Ben Seiderman, a pioneer in the field of human-computer interaction, defines universal usability as enabling all citizens to succeed using communication and information technology in their tasks. Notice that he does not say enabling all citizens to use, but rather enabling all citizens to succeed. Still confused? Let's look at these examples. Observe these images clearly and analyze the convenience of this crossway. Now, imagine people with different physical constraints and re-observe the images. The fact that the zebra crossing ends right into a raised pedestrian path causes it very inconvenient to people with physical constraints. The better option will be to include curved cuts, which will be convenient for everyone. Now let us look at the importances of universal usability. The key to universal usability is recognizing the diversity of user population and user needs. There is no average user on whom a system should be based. Universal usability accounts for users of all ages, experience levels, and physical or sensory limitations. We need a design approach that will accommodate the diversity of our user base so that all the users can quickly adapt to the products. Thus, flexibility is an important aspect. We need to thrive on it. But universal usability is difficult to achieve in a physical environment where certain parameters are necessarily locked in. But in the virtual medium like digital medium, the system can be made more flexible for a large group of people to use the products according to their preference and needs. So generally, the products have to be such that the people with difficulties can easily change the layout, feedback, etc. so that they can easily use the system. This way we don't make the system too annoying for average users and too difficult for the users with difficulties. The common example of this is the voice narration in Windows 10. Let's take a moment and see how it is implemented.
Narrator dialog. OK. Button. Alt and O. Narrator heading level 1. Welcome to Narrator. This is Narrator Home, where you can get help, access your settings, and learn about new features. Narrator is a screen reader that describes aloud what's on your screen, so you can use that information to navigate your device. To start or stop Narrator, press the Windows logo key and Control and Enter. Explore the sections below to get started. Exiting Narrator.
So the question arises, why should one go through the increased lengths and labors of making a design universally usable? Other than the obvious increased ease of use for more users, it provides a positive public image for the brand as well as increased market reach and enhanced customer satisfaction and retention. Universal usability is a technique with which you can make the system accessible to multiple demographics, ethnicity, and different environments. The system's design must closely study usability factors such as intuitive design, ease of learning, efficiency of use, memorability, error frequency and severity, and subject to satisfaction. Sometimes, in the search and efforts of making the system universally accessible, it can make the system very dumb and tedious for average users, which kills the majority of user base. For making a product accessible, we need many resources and much more research, which may make the product expensive. So, while you build your product, make sure to make intensive research and make it universally usable. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.